When you search for pot lids, everything looks the same. Same shapes, same materials, and same claims. But to really find out what works and what doesn't, you have to look beyond the surface.
Product number 1, Bodum Pour-Over Coffee Maker. This beauty caught my eye with its sleek design and the unique cork grip. It's priced a bit higher, but if you want a stylish way to brew 8 cups of rich coffee, this is worth a serious look. The Bodum's manual pour-over design allows you to brew a fantastic cup in just minutes. The permanent stainless steel filter extracts all those aromatic oils you love, instead of letting them get trapped in a paper filter. Plus, the durable borosilicate glass is heat-resistant, which means you can enjoy your coffee hot without worrying about breakage. With over 4,000 sold recently, it's clear this one is popular. Now, some users mention that the glass can be fragile and needs careful handling. Here's the thing though, if you treat it right, the brewing experience and taste make it worth the extra caution. This is perfect for you if you love a hands-on brewing experience and appreciate a stylish coffee maker. Skip this if you prefer something more rugged and less delicate. It's a bit of an investment, but the quality definitely shines through. Now, if the fragility of the Bodum worries you, the next one might be just what you need.
Product number 2, Chemex Classic Series 8 Cup, the Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker. Priced at about $48.95, this coffee maker is a classic for a reason. If you want an elegant design that also brews excellent coffee, this is worth a serious look. The Chemex is made from high-quality, non-porous borosilicate glass, which means it won't absorb any odors or residues. Plus, its patented design allows you to brew and refrigerate your coffee without losing flavor. With more than 2,000 units sold in the past month, this option is obviously a crowd favorite. However, some buyers have pointed out that the Chemex filters are not included. This can be a bit frustrating if you're excited to brew right away. But I'll be real with you, the quality of the brew you get is absolutely worth it, and the filters are easy to find. This is perfect for you if you want a beautiful brewing experience that also delivers on taste. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, or if you're not keen on investing in additional filters. It's a classic piece that's worth every penny. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more convenience.
Product number 3, Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker. The Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker is up next, and it's priced at just under $30.98. Its sleek design and dual-layer stainless steel filter caught my attention immediately. If you want a convenient way to brew 8 cups of flavorful coffee, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this model is that the dual-layer filter allows fine coffee oils to infuse your brew, giving you a richer flavor without the mess of grounds at the bottom. Plus, the heat-resistant borosilicate glass decanter can be heated directly on the stove, making it versatile for any coffee lover. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clear that people are loving this one. Some users did mention that the wooden sleeve can get a bit hot during brewing. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and use a coffee cozy or just let it cool a bit, the flavor and ease of use make it a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly maker that still gives you a quality coffee experience. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional brewing experience. For the price, it delivers great value. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable, let's check out the next option.
Product number 4, Chemex Classic Series 6 Cup. Another Chemex option, the Classic Series 6 Cup model, which comes in at around $47.95. This one has a slightly smaller capacity, but offers the same elegant design and quality. If you want a compact yet stylish way to brew coffee, this is worth a serious look. Like its 8-cup sibling, this Chemex is made with high-quality borosilicate glass that won't retain odors or chemicals. It's designed to maintain the coffee's flavor, even when stored in the fridge. This model is perfect for smaller households, or if you just want a quick brew. Plus, it's selling like hotcakes with over 1,000 sold in the last month. Some folks have pointed out the same issue with the lock of filters, which can be a hassle. But honestly, the flavor you get from this brewing method is exceptional, and once you get the filters, you'll be hooked. This is perfect for you if you want a smaller version of the classic Chemex that still delivers amazing coffee. Skip this if you need to brew for larger gatherings or don't want to deal with filter purchases. It's a great investment for quality coffee. Finally, if you're looking for something more portable and budget-friendly, let's wrap up with our last product.
Product number 5, Darwin Pour-Over Coffee Maker. We have the Darwin Pour-Over Coffee Maker, priced at just $13.24. This simple manual brewing method is perfect for coffee lovers on the go. If you want an affordable way to enjoy a fresh cup anywhere, this is worth a serious look. The Darwin's portable design allows you to enjoy a hands-on brewing experience without needing a machine. Its unique 3-hole dripping design ensures that your coffee brews evenly, maximizing flavor extraction. Plus, it's made from high-fired ceramic, so it retains heat well, giving you that warm cup of coffee you crave. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice. Some users have mentioned it can be a bit tricky to use if you're not familiar with manual brewing methods. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the control you have over brewing makes it a fun experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a super affordable and portable option. Skip this if you prefer an automated brewing process or have a large household. It's a fantastic value for the quality and experience. That wraps up our top picks. Each of these coffee makers offers something unique for all kinds of coffee lovers.
So there you have it. From the stylish Bodum to the classic Chemex and the affordable Darwin, there's a pour-over coffee maker for everyone. Each one brings something special to the table, so think about what fits your coffee needs best.
Happy brewing!